Today we will discuss about two use cases in the field of NLP or natural language processing. First is customer service chatbot, the second is information extraction. When you go to Google and search for a person, on the right hand side you can see some key information about said person. Regex is all about machine matching pattern in a text and retrieving key information out of it. Many times the NLP problems can be solved completely using only regex, and in that case you don't have to use any advanced machine learning algorithm. For example, if you order something from an e-commerce website, many times you might have a problem with your order and may head to the customer service chat, where the chatbot will take care of your needs. For example, if you go and say that you are having an issue with your order number, for example hashtag 445372, it will reply with the order details as to what you had ordered, the price, the delivery status. So here a computer is auto replying to your message. The way it located your order number in the database was by using pattern matching. When I said I am having an issue with my order number, it will figure out there is an order and then a hash followed by a subsequent sequence of digits, which is the order number. Now I said it in a way which was individual and still easy to understand, but someone else might type something like my order 445372, order number 445372. In all of this we can come with a common pattern, which will be there is the word order, after which there is any sequence of characters except digits, and then there is a sequence of digits. So in our case there was the word order followed by hash and then a sequence of digits, the word order followed by nothing and the sequence of digits, the word order followed by the word number and a sequence of digits. Now here you can use a regex or regular expression, which will just do the pattern matching for you. A subsequent conversation might be the chatbot asking for phone number and email ID for account verification purposes. Now there are many different replies which could be framed to fit that question. For example, yes, phone colon 1234567890, email abc@xyz.com. Or you could say here it is, and you could put 123 in rounded brackets hyphen 456 hyphen 7890, email abc@xyz.com. Or you ask a lot of questions, 12345678990, abc@xyz.com. But there are still patterns present which can help us with information extraction. If you look at email ID, there is a sequence of characters followed by a @ sign followed by another sequence of characters followed by .com. For phone numbers, there are also patterns present. There are two different formats present. In the first format, there is a bracket which has 3 digits in it, hyphen 3 digits, hyphen 4 digits. But in the second format, there is a continuous string of 10 numerical digits, without any space or hyphens in between. Let's look at the Python code that can extract this meaningful information out of this conversation. Now let's code this in Python. So first we will code the chatbot, and for that we must import a library named RE, short for regular expression. Import RE. RE is regular expression in Python. This module comes inbuilt and it enables pattern detection. Before we use this model, we will go to an amazing website called regex101.com. Here you can create your regular expression before using it in your Python code. Now we are going to extract phone number and email ID. First let's focus on phone number, which is just a sequence of 10 digits with two formats, either continuous 10 digits or 3 digits in a bracket followed by hyphen 3 digits followed by hyphen 4 digits. Let's look at the 10 continuous digits case first. To do so, we must understand how to capture these digits, and for that you can click on help, which will say that for any digits you must use /d. So /d will match every single digit separately, and here you have an explanation as to why it matched and what is the underlying rule it used. This is actually /d. So when you have /d, it matches only one digit, but if you had 2 or 3 digits you could use /d/d/d. This will match every set of 3 continuous digits. This is just a pattern matching tool. All it is doing is matching your 3 digits from all your strings. So the regular expression for phone number would be \d 10 times. But typing this 10 times is cumbersome. There should be a more efficient way for this, and there is one. The way to do it is to get exactly 3 of any, the way to do it, if you want exactly 3 of any match, what you need to do is you need to write \d and then add the number 3 in parenthesis brackets. So for your case, all you have to do is, in curly brackets, all you have to do is \d and the number 10 in curly brackets beside it. So this is our first format. So now let's try this in our Python code. Let's first get our messages stored into variables. Chat1 equals code basics. You ask a lot of questions. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 abc@xyz.com. Chat2 equals, here it is, 1 2 3 in rounded brackets -567 -8910 abc@xyz.com. And chat3 equals, yes, phone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, email abc@xyz.com. And now we will use the re dot function called find all. The first parameter it will take is pattern. The first pattern will be \d and the number 10 in curly brackets beside it. And the second parameter will be the text on which the pattern has to be searched for. Second parameter. So get underscore pattern underscore match, rounded brackets open, and then within single quotes, once again open rounded brackets, \d and the number 10 in curly brackets beside it, comma chat1. Now if you have a phone number in different format like in chat2, you will be unable to detect it. So let's look at that. Let's go back to the Regex 101 website. Now we simply have to break down the second format. So the first thing that we have to detect is the parenthesis bracket around the first digits. So the regex for that is, you just have to put a pair of rounded brackets around the \d number 3 in curly brackets. But in regex terms, parenthesis brackets means capture everything enclosed, which will cause every 3 continuous set of numbers to match, which we do not want. So you must use an escape character. For example, a / before the rounded brackets and /d3. Because of the escape character in the start, the bracket is given a literal meaning, which ignores its specific definition. So without slash before, the bracket is matching all the set of 3 digits. Now this is only matching the starting 3 digits, and for the rest of it we will use hyphen, then same /d with parenthesis 3 hyphen /d parenthesis 4. So this part is correct, and the first part was the continuous 10 digits, which is also correct. Now we need to program our regex or regular expression model so that if it gets a phone number in this format or the continuous one, it should be able to extract the info. For that we need an OR operator, so we can use the pipe symbol, which is used as an OR operator. So pattern equals /d parenthesis 10 pipe symbol followed by /rounded brackets /d parenthesis 3 hyphen /d3 hyphen /d4. Matches equals re dot find all pattern comma chat3 matches. Now let's look at email ID, where you have a bunch of characters, then @ symbol, then another bunch of characters followed by .com. So to extract the email IDs, firstly the alphabets permitted in email, the characters permitted in email IDs are capital and lowercase alphabets, underscore and numbers. Also of course @ is there. So first we can use the lowercase letter a hyphen z in square brackets. So a hyphen z means any character in lowercase a to z range. Now this will only match single characters, not a sequence of characters. For sequence you need to use the star mark. So square brackets a lowercase a to lowercase z star mark. If you want to add digits and also capital letters or alphabets, in square brackets lowercase a to z 0 to 9 and capital A to Z all joined together followed by a star and @. This will match all lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers 0 to 9 and the @ symbol. Now we need to add underscore. So square brackets lowercase a to z 0 to 9 capital A to Z underscore star mark @. Now to get the domain name, simply add the first part of the code, which is the A to Z lowercase 0 to 9 and A to Z uppercase, followed by the underscore and the star mark once again. Now we need .com, but dot is any single character which has dot in it. So we need to use the backward slash so that the dot is taken literally, like so. So square brackets, lowercase a to z 0 to 9, capital A to z underscore star mark at the rate, lowercase a to z 0 to 9, capital A to z underscore star mark backward slash .com. Now let's use this in our Python code. Pattern equals lowercase a to z 0 to 9, capital A to z underscore star mark at the rate, lowercase a to z 0 to 9, capital A to z underscore star mark backward slash .com. Matches equals re dot find all, pattern comma chat 3, email equals matches 0 in square brackets and email. Okay, so now you got your email ID and phone number. Now we need the order number. The order number has a number of possible sequences in which we can match our regex. The word order itself, and then we need to watch anything that is not a digit. So the word order, and for anything that is not, we can add this symbol which is like an arrow pointing upwards. So square brackets, arrow pointing upwards, or also known as hat backward slash d. This will match anything that is not a digit, but it is only one character. If you want to match more than one character, you can type in star after the statement. So order hat backward slash d star. Now you need to take the sequence of digits. Order hat backward slash d star backward slash d star. Now we only want the portions of string which has the order number itself, and for that we will use rounded brackets, using which it will only retrieve that particular number. So order hat backward slash d star backward slash d star. Pattern equals order in square brackets hat backward slash d rounded bracket star backward slash d star rounded bracket close. Matches equals re dot find all, pattern comma chat 3, email equals matches 0, email.